Welcome to the 5-credit SWAYAM online course on Urban Local Governance. Urban Local Governance got its recognition as a constitutional provision through the 74th Amendment Act of 1992. And this act enabled democratic decentralization, which strengthened urban local bodies such as urban forestry, also taking into note smart cities like water, sanitation, solid waste management, and also taking care of public health and traffic congestion. This course will also enable you to attempt competitive exams, especially the civil services, because it focuses on the promotion of urbanization and the need for enabling good smart cities that is not only digital but also environmental friendly. I wish you enjoyed the course as much as we enjoyed doing this course for you. Thank you very much.